viewers, Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, work going on in war footing for setting up of jumbo facility having 500 oxygen beds for COVID treatment at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And sanitization continues in different parts of Steel Township of SAIL RSP for containing spread of the second wave of COVID-19. And now for the news in detail. Responding to the call of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and under the guidance of Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant is in the process of setting up a jumbo medical facility of 500 beds in phases with the provision of gaseous oxygen directly from the manufacturing station for treatment of COVID patients in collaboration with the state government. This will be in addition to the facilities currently available at RSP's hospitals, that is at the Ispat General Hospital and the Super Speciality Hospital. The new facility will come up at the erstwhile administrative building of fertilizer plant of RSP, for which preparations are being made on war footing. Envisaged to commence operations in the first phase by the end of this month, the Jumbo Center shall have oxygen support through dedicated gas line drawn directly from the oxygen unit of the steel plant. The facility will be helpful in providing treatment to COVID-positive patients with moderate symptoms requiring hospitalization. Notably, the two-story building is in proximity to the RSP Lind oxygen plant situated at a corner of the plant. The facility will help in relieving the extra stress on the dedicated COVID care hospital, which can focus more on treating critical COVID patients. It is also being planned to add ICU bed facilities in the Jumbo Center in the subsequent phase. Notably, RSP has adopted an integrated healthcare response to the pandemic with intensive focus on awareness, quarantine, testing, tracing, treatment and containment. Keeping in view the surge in the COVID-positive cases in the area, RSP has been focusing in expanding the health infrastructure. The virology laboratory established at IGH is doubling its capacity of testing, with which daily more than 1,000 tests are expected to be carried out in a few days. In line with the instructions and guidance of Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been taking all possible measures to combat and contain the COVID pandemic. The various initiatives in this direction include proactive sanitization, communication drives, developing treatment facilities, as well as augmenting tracing, testing and vaccination. The Public Health Unit of the Town Engineering Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, in association with the Fire Services Department, has been actively engaged in cleaning and decontamination of residential areas and public places. In the present week, the residential areas of different sectors across the Steel Township was sanitized. Community centers at Sector 14, Ispat Library, Sector 19, Electrical Maintenance Booth, Sector 19, Police Station, Sector 19, CSR Office, Sector 20, and Intake Water Supply Pump House, Sector 20 were also disinfected. Massive scale cleaning and sanitization of public places of Steel Township is carried out on a war footing. It may be noted that RSP is making all-out efforts for regular cleaning and sanitizing so as to prevent the spread of the disease and to ensure health safety of the residents of the Steel Township. That's all in this edition of Rourkela News. Namaskar.